This road comes exactly from Mohali until Punjab University. This road exists. That wall itself belongs to Punjab University. This is a campus area of Punjab University. And in my left hand side, there is a renowned hostel in Chandigarh called as a Maharana Pratap Hostel. All the students of different castes are residing here and they are completing their course and having the facilities of rooms as well as lunch with very minimal cost. This is the Maharana Pratap new block hostel as well, and on my right hand side this one is a campus for lecturer of Punjab universities. The mostly faculty members and lecturers are residing here. This wall itself belongs to Punjab University. And I again congratulate to our UT administration, I mean to say that Chandigarh administration, for this legend cycle track for safety as well as respect for cyclists. I really feel pleasure to have my bicycle or bike on this track, because this track should be mandatory for individual cyclists to have their own disciplined lane, because moreover in the past they felt rude behavior from four-wheelers. Now we are entering to Punjab University. Yes, this one is gate number 3. Now in the starting, the park itself speaks the cleanliness of Punjab University. Have a look. And in my right hand side there are number of houses of faculty members who are residing with their families in my right hand side. This garden itself speaks the cleanliness and neatness of Punjab University Palm Garden. And exactly in front of me, that girls hostel exists. Now moving towards another girls hostel. Look at the building and structure of these concrete buildings. They have a huge facility for rooms as well as lodging for girls. And this is Savitri Bai Phule Hall. The next hostel is another hostel. The roads are too clean, the houses are well maintained. This hostel is another hostel. It's Bebe Nanki Hall, hostel number 7. Now, exactly in the campus area you can find Ankur School here. Yes guys, because mainly these faculty member children are residing here and they don't need to bother to outside schools. They itself have the facility of inbuilt schools in the campus area. Now that depends upon the houses as per your designations. As per your designations, you will designate it with your own houses with different blocks like E, A, B, C, D alphabetically. The majority of houses are like small one, and big houses are for lecturers as well as HODs or senior researchers. And the temple area is there. The temple of Punjab University is exactly there. Now moving towards the area is too green, too lushy. The roads are too clean. As I am feeling that I am having a tour on bicycle in forest or a sanctuary. Yes guys, it seems like this. Look at the ambience of this lush green Punjab University. Yes, this is another face of Punjab University. Exactly backside of Punjab University, where you will find the boys hostel as well as working women hostels. This one is Botanical Garden of Punjab University. On my left hand side, too clean. The roads are really cool, really bump free. In my right hand side, this one is swimming pool of Punjab University, and this swimming pool is covered with fencing because mainly the students or members are allowed with their ID cards as well. And this one is e-rickshaw stand ER3. Rajiv Gandhi College Bhavan is there. Now my left hand side, there is a gate of boys hostel as well. It's all our boys hostel. Moreover, speed breakers are too much here just to maintain your speed. This one is Teja Singh Hall Boys Hostel number 6. Have a look. The view is too scenic, too clean, too much beautiful. You will not able to find this kind of planned university in India as well. Now the students are practicing archery. Focus on their archery section in the playground. Look at their targets. See, they have target board there, and they have a desired range to target that bow particularly. And in my left hand side, this one is written in Punjabi, Yuvak Palai Vibhag. It means Student Welfare Department. And if you are keen to study in the Law Department of Punjab University, then in my right hand side, this board indicates University Institute of Legal Studies. This route goes to Law Department as well. And these small tuck shops helps you for your documents as well as your study material like photostat, color prints, binding, spiral bindings, etc. Look at the beautiful stadium of Punjab University, where you can practice your cricket as well as your archery, guys. What a beautiful maintained mini stadium, I can say. Exactly in front of me there is a parking of student center in Punjab University, where you can park your car and have a cup of coffee with your mates, as well as your colleagues, your girlfriends, your wife. No restrictions for outer buddies in this student center. Yes, but due to COVID, this student center may be shut off. Department of Law is there. This red building, Department of Law. Previously, we used this segment for our fashion videos as well. Mostly law students are using this parking for their study building as well. I remember there is one auditorium where I got selected for Mr. Punjab University in 2012 as well. Yes, there was a modeling hunt and I used to participate in Chandigarh as well. So I remember in 2012 when Zulfi Sayyed, the supermodel of India, was judge over there in that show particularly. Look at the library section exactly in front of this roundabout. This one is library, open for 24 hours as well. And look at the architect of this building, guys. It really looks like we are in Australia as well as in a broad country. And see, have a look on these trees. They are really well maintained. In my right hand side or in my left hand side, there are lush green trees. Exactly, the roads are too clean again, and this roundabout seems too much maintained, guys. And if you want to exit this Punjab University, then take left. You will find one other gate here. That gate helps you to enter into PGI, Postgraduate Institute. Punjab University have their own 3-4 gates. So whether you can choose any gate and exit or enter, it will help you. And individually Punjab University do have that cycle tracks for cyclists as well as pedestrians. Again, boys hostels are here. Again, another boys hostel. Individual parkings are here. And we are on the right track, cycle track. This ensures our safety as well. For my Punjabi subscriber, Thar ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਗੇੜੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਥਾਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਪੜਨ ਦਾ। I am just communicating in Punjabi to have that feel of our Punjab University subscribers. Well maintained cycle track. The fencing is there, double fencing to ensure the safety of this boys hostel as well. Now, due to scarcity of parking, the cars are parked here itself on the road, but this thing is not exactly as per the law. They need to enhance their parking. If they have the scarcity of parking, then basement is good enough. Guys, look at the Zen, how well maintained this Zen seems. Now, electricity department of this van is for maintenance of electrical troubleshootings in Punjab University. Now, cycle track and cycle stand itself enhance in Punjab University. This one is another tuck shop. I remember when we were studying in 2008 or 9, we used to have our documents in this tuck shop as well. And this one is the main market exactly in front of Sector 15, but this market is itself in Punjab University campus where we used to have our samosas as well as tea while we were studying. So if Mr. Vivek, you are watching this video, then comment down these memories of Punjab University. Now we are taking exit from this Punjab University gate exactly in front of Sector 15 Chandigarh. Let's carry forward this trip for a while. And the police cops are there on the lights just to make a watch on that guys who are not following discipline or rules. Now in the right hand side there is a market of Sector 15. Exactly in my right hand side there is a Patel market for local shopping of grocery as well as mainly clothes. Now I am using this cycle track, and this cycle track goes directly to Sukhna Lake as well as Secretariat. In fact, PGI also. The bus service of Chandigarh is too good. If you do not have bicycle or your four-wheeler, then you can make a pass for 1 day or 1 week or 1 month, and you can thoroughly visit entire Chandigarh by our bus service. Monkeys gangs are there. So I am expecting that today's Punjab University vlog is up to the mark as per your requirement, who are not from Chandigarh and shortly they are planning to study in Punjab University, Chandigarh. So if you like our vlogs, if you like our videos, then hit subscribe, hit like, share our videos. I'm your host Rohit Rana, winding up these videos. See you, Tata, Jai, फिर मिलते हैं एक नवी कंप्लेंट.